Hey guys, it's Jojo dancer ZOLINA. Welcome to our third grooving exercise. We're gonna work on bounce. Alright, this is one of the fundamental of dancing. Okay, this is a universal dance, so you have to like really know this dance. Okay, check it out. This time we're gonna like hit the beat with our knee. We're breaking our knee, we're bouncing. Alright, make sure you work on your core, going into neutral position, bend your knees, and then going back to neutral position using your core and your breath. So this time we're trying to do like stepping side to side while we're bouncing on the down beat. So we're hitting the baseline on our knee going forward. Stepping to the right, stepping to the left. So now you could just play around with it, have fun with it. Different direction, you could go around, travel more, add your arms with it, your head, your neck into it, and feel the the music, and feel the movement into it. All right, have fun. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoy the bounce segment video as much as I did. Don't forget to watch the other videos, and I'll be posting every Sunday 6 p.m. So check it out and tune in, and don't forget to share, like, leave a comment, do whatever you want to do. Alright, peace.